Was down with it. YouTube. Nah. You got a special opening. You got the Ghost from the Past. Got 5 boxes. 5 boxes. Ghost from the Past. This is my first Yu-Gi-Oh opening, box opening. Hunting for the Ghost Rares. I want me my own. I've been doing some research on it, and they got this Blue Eyes. It's a Ghost Rare. A Dark Magician, a Black Luster, and a dragon called Firewall Dragon. Me myself, I don't really expect much out of this because it's my first opening, so you know probably they're like same with me. But the guys be with me, I would love a Black Luster Soldier. I never had one growing up, and that was like one of my favorite cards. But we ain't gonna talk too much. I know y'all want to see the opening, so I'm gonna open up the first box right quick. Let me see. See if I can glue my nail. Let me get my keys. Got the Ghost from the Past. It took me like 3 stars to get this. Had to drive around and go get this. And this, without further ado, yeah, man. Let's get it poppin'. Yeah, man. I'll open it. Look at it. Dark Magician and Firewall Dragon. Got 3 packs. I'm gonna start with the Firewall Dragon pack. Got a Dragon Knight Draco Eskeist. Dragon Knight Draco Eskeist. Tiny Thieves Perpetua. Hieratic Seal of Supremacy. Starry Night Acer. Let me do it like this. Tiny Thief Adjuster. And that's it from that Firewall Dragon pack. From the first pack. Let's do Dark Magician pack. First box. We got a Miracle Synchro Fusion, a Dulce Chatu, Salomon Great Falco, Metaphor Fusion, and a Lava Ball Salamander. Okay. We got a Hieratic Dragon Knight of Atum. Yeah, man. We got a Tiny Thief Redoer. We got a Danger Thunderbird. Metaphor's Counter. And Meteor Black Comet Dragon. Dang, his artwork cool. You got a cool little artwork right there. I like that right there. like that. Let me give y'all some light. Give y'all some light right quick. Alright, that's it for the first box. First box. Now we're on to the second one. I can open it. There you go. I do want that Black Luster or any Ghost Rare. I'll be happy just cause just start my collection. Just really me starting off a new collection, my new whole collection. That's really what I'm doing. And y'all gonna be on this journey with my whole collection, my card collection. I got the second box. Just start out with the Black Luster. Got the Sunvine Maiden. We got a Tackle Crusader. Buster Dragon. Miss Valley Baby Rock. And a Dragonite Legatus. Second pack for the second box. We got the Monarchs Erupt. Sinobalon Dryas. Xyz Burst. Or XYZ Burst. Update Jammer. Update Jammer. These are my first Link monsters too. And the Starry Night Rail. I never had no Link monsters. And these are my first packs opening any type of Link monster. Yeah. I thought I would open the Black Luster, but I guess I don't do this. We got a Hozenryu, Cosmo Dark Lady, Salvage, Time Thief Fellowship, and an Orange Dragon, level 10. Level 10 Orange Dragon. Orange Dragon, that's a cool archetype. Cool monster with the level 3s, level 5 summoning them at the battle phase and stuff. Okay, so our third box. So hope we get something nice, something good. Something good, something good. Let's just get it, you hear me? Hey, y'all want to see someone open it, let me know. What y'all think I should open, you hear me? What y'all want to see more on the channel? Y'all want more card opening? Y'all want, some gaming stuff? Y'all want me to stream reactions, you hear me? Anything, just let me know. I'm going to do it, you hear me? I'm going to give the fans what they want, you hear me? I'm trying to see. I don't know if you're going. We're gonna mix them up. Then you open it like that. How about that? Let's get it. Let's get it. We got a Salvage. Time Thief Fellowship. Time Thief Retrograde. Retrograde. Sanavalon Jaya 8. And the story Narael. Move out the way so I can see Jason. Alright. Next pack. We got a Buster Dragon. Miss Valley Baby Rock. The Monarchs Erupt again. Benevolent Joyous. And Time Thief Double Barrel. Double Barrel Shotgun. Yeah, I like that. Hey, this is a good. If the Time Thief is a good deck, let me know. Let me know how, if I should build it. And let me know if y'all want to see me go to like locals and stuff like that. I'll go to that. I ain't scared. Yeah, I mean, it could just be some good content for y'all. Let's see what we got. Alright, we go on the second to last box. Second to last box. Get it. Oh no, I missed the pack. Hello, my bad, guys. Oh, missed the lip pack. You know, the second last box just here. About to miss the pack. Let me see if this pack that was trying to escape us got something good. Magazines Burst. Update Jammer. Chosen Ryu. Frozen Ryu. Cosmo Dark Lady. Hieratic Sky Dragon Overlord of Heliopolis. Or Heliopolis. Okay. Alright, now I'm forsaking the last box. For real. We got 2 Dragon Magicians packs. Better sign. Got one of each. Got Unity, Obliety. Hieratic Dragon of Iset or Esset. Metaphors Fusion. Max Change. Ooh, I like that. For my hero digging. I know I like the heroes. And Ray Raptor Tribute Lanius. That's the last one. Yeah. And going to the lackluster. I gotta move the camera a little bit. Okay, we got my Dulce Fresh to Start. We have a Gear Town. My first Pendulum Monster. Metaphors. Evolve Flame. Hieratic Seal of Supremacy. And Dragonity Knight. Red Bear. I don't know how the fuck to say that. Y'all tell me how to say that. Alright. Bug Magician. Can you give us some good luck? Give us something. We got a Hieratic Dragon of Tough Noid. Tough Noob. Erratic Sun Dragon Overlord of Heliopolis. Sunvine Healer. And the Time Thief Flyback. Oh, and the Galaxy Eye Cypher X Dragon. Cool. I like that. Alright guys. You want to find the box. There's the box. Alright, last box for good luck. If it can open. And it want to open. Give me something good, baby. Okay, guys. The last little box. It takes some time to marry it again. Yeah, the black luster. I want the black luster. But we don't get no Ghost Rare. I ain't gonna buy no more. You know, unless y'all want me to, y'all let me know. I'm not gonna Ghost Rare. And the last of them. Last set of packs right here. We got a Hosen Ryu, Cosmojo, Sunseed Genius Losi, Galaxy Eye Cypher Blade Dragon, and the Vampire Void. Okay. Okay. Metaphors Mytherium. Artifact Durandal. Mrs. Valley Baby Rock. Metaphors Counter. Erratic Seal of Creation. Time Thief Retrograde. Just the last pack. Sunvine Shrine. Galaxy Eyes Cypher Blade Dragon. A Splash Mage. Splash Mage. A Starry Night Sky. Other guys, no Ghost Rare in these packs. But it was a good little opening, you know. Got some cards. Got a new little collection going on now. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this video. What other packs do y'all want to see me opening? If I pulled anything of worthiness, of worth noticing or anything, let me know. If y'all wanna look through it, so we all pulled. Sunvine Maiden, Tackle Crusader, Buster Dragon, Miss Valley Baby Rock, Dragon Lakers, Drinking Adam, Tiny Redo, Thunderbird, Metaphors Common, Meteor Black Comet Dragon. That's just it just looks so cool. Madoshi, Chateau, Solomon Great Falco. So we got a couple of decks we can get going, starting on. Let me know what's a good deck to start on, which I think I got more of, which I think I should start building on, focusing on, what packs I think I should start focusing on opening. You know, let me know y'all like it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if y'all fucking with the video. If y'all want to see some more, let me know something. Just talk to me. Yeah. Let me know if I got something good. We got Mass Change. The Monarchs Erupt. Sun Navalon. Joyous. Time Feet though, girl. Time Feet look cool though. I ain't even gonna be in front. They look so cool. I wish we had got that blacklisted though. That would have been nice. We got some Link Monsters. I never had no Link Monsters before. But that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for tuning in, for watching. If you want some more, leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know something. I think you got so much. And you know who it is. Red Kane out. Red Kane in.